to better organize text messages on your iPhone thanks to iOS 17. Messages on your iPhone and iPad can easily become a crowded and chaotic mess. Here how to make sense of them. You are looking for a particular conversation among all the text messages on your iPhone or iPad. Good luck with that. The more text messages you receive, the more cluttered and disorganized they become. Also, your Apple device may be eligible for a major update. How to check and download. Junk messages appear alongside legitimate text, and trying to track down a specific conversation feels like a never-ending quest, but there are ways you can organize your messages to more easily find, view, and work with them. You can view just messages from known senders or unknown senders. See only unread text. Pin your favorite people and conversation at the top. Use search filters to help find messages, and OPT to automatically delete messages that have one-time verification codes. How to manage text messages on your iPhone or iPad. One update to iOS 17 over iPad OS 17. Some of the tricks I describe here require iOS 17 over iPad OS 17 or higher. If you have not yet updated your iPhone or iPad, head to settings, select channel, and then tap software update. Also, iOS 17, the most impactful new iPhone features are also the ones you shall notice the least. Choose the option to upgrade to iOS 17 and follow the prompt to download and install the update. Filter messages by known or unknown senders. Instead of trying to hunt through all your messages for a specific one, you can narrow the search by viewing only known or unknown senders. First, go to settings, select messages, and then turn on the switch for filter unknown senders if it's off. Next, open the messages app on an iPhone. Tap the filters link at the upper left. On an iPad, tap the sidebar icon at the upper left or drag the messages pane to the right. Tap known senders to see messages only from people you know. Tap unknown senders to see text from strangers, including those with one-time codes or verification. While you are here, you can also filter the list to see just unread messages. Third, pin your favorites to the top. You can pin frequently accessed conversations to the top of the screen for quick and easy access. Either select a specific conversation and drag it to the top, or tap the ellipsis circle at the top. Tap edit pins from the menu and then tap the pin icon for any that chat you wish to add to the top. Also, how to use standby mode iOS 17 and which iPhone support it. After you are finished, your favorite will appear as large icon at the top of the screen. As long as you sync your messages via iCloud, any chats you pin on your iPhone will appear on your iPad, and vice versa. To unpin a conversation, press down on its icon and select unpin.
Desktop for PC.
4. Use search filters with iOS 17, iPad OS 17. Apple has added new search filters to help you find specific types of messages. Tap the search field at the top of the screen. Right off the bat, the search results display text that contains certain content such as links, photos, locations, and documents. Tap the conversation you want to view.